Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. What should I do if my hair grows on my mole? One of the questions that often sounds at a dermatologist's reception is if a hair grows out of a mole, what does that mean? Some people are very afraid of the appearance of vegetation on the nevus, because they consider it a harbinger of melanoma, malignant cells. But actually it is not. Many experts argue that such vegetation is not only not dangerous, but even considered a good sign. According to the results of the conducted studies, if a small fluff is pierced from the birthmark, it is a favorable sign. From such a birthmark is much less likely to form a malignant tumor, melanoma. Could they get rid of them? You can get rid of unwanted hair on the mole in the following ways. Completely remove the birthmark from the skin, using modern means of cosmetology, laser correction. This procedure is carried out only with the permission of the doctor in those cases when the size or structure of the birthmark changes. Doctors resort to it and in case the nevus grows on the head. Gently trim the hair with a manicure scissors. The disadvantage of this method is that after a short time they grow back again, but already more rigid. In addition, in place of the vegetation removed in this way, there is still an ugly stubble. Each time the hairs have to be cut off more often. Use electrolysis. The use of electrolysis allows you to get rid of not only from the hairs, but from the very birthmark. However, after removal, irritation and reddening of the skin often occurs after a week. As it cannot be deleted. To remove hair from a birthmark is not recommended in the following ways. Shaving. Can I shave my hair grown on the nevus? Most experts answer this question negatively. A sharp blade can damage the cutaneous neoplasm and provoke the development of severe inflammation. Waxing. The use of this procedure will provoke a severe burn of the birthmark and a change in its structure, so it should not be used. Application of chemical epilation. Removal of hair from a nevus in this way is also contraindicated, since it can provoke irritation. Plucking twigs with eyebrow tweezers. Even a minor injury can lead to the transformation of a benign tumor into a malignant one. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.